Hello students, you are studying the chapter Coordinate Geometry of 10th, exercise 7.3, question number 1. In the question number 1, there is a two-part given. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. There is a two-part is given. One is given 2, 3, minus 1, comma 0 and 2, comma minus 4. So it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Very carefully you will write down area of triangle. First you write formula. What is x1, y2 minus y3, x2, y3 minus y1, x3, y1 minus y2. So you will put the values half x1 2 into 0 plus 4, x2 minus 1, y3 is minus 4 minus 3, x3 2, y1 minus y2 3 minus 0. Very carefully you write. If any will be wrong, then you will not get the answer. 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 3. So what are you getting answer? Half 8 minus plus 7, 3 to just 6 plus 6. 15, 21. So you will get 21 by 2, that is 10.5 square unit. What is the answer? 10.5 square unit you are getting. Second part I hope you can do. Second part is very simple. What is the second part given? All the values are given. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, comma minus 5 and 5, comma 2. You can put the values here and like this area of triangle you can get by this formula. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is given. In each of the following, find the value of k if the points are collinear. Question number 2, first part, 7, comma minus 2, 7, comma minus 2 and 5, comma 1 and 3, comma k. Then because points are collinear, so area of triangle is always equal to 0. Put the value here. Half 1, 2 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Half will go that side, so half will be removed from there. So what will you write? 1, 2, 3. So 7, 1 minus k plus 5 k plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Half will go that side and remove. It is 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 7 minus 7k plus 5k, 5 to the 10 plus minus 3 to the 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3 the 9 is equal to 0. 7 minus 5 minus 2k, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 minus 8, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is equal to plus 8 is equal to 0 because 10 plus 7, 17 minus 8. So minus 2k is equal to minus 8 and k is equal to 4. You are getting like this. You can do the second part. This is the second question number 2. First part is this. Second part, again the area of triangle will be 0 and I hope you can do is the second part and you can get the answer k is equal to 3. Third question, find the area of a rectangle triangle formed. Question number 3, find the area of triangle formed. Third question, find the area of the triangle formed joining the midpoint of the side of the triangle whose vertices are. Very good. It is a question. You put the question like this. Whose vertices are. What is the given? 0 minus 1, 0 comma minus 1, B is given 2, 1, C is given 0, 3, and midpoints are D, E, F. You want to find out the area of this triangle. Area of triangle. Find the ratio of the area of triangle given area of the given triangle. Find the area. First question, there is two parts. First you find area of triangle DEF. First, coordinate of D. It is midpoint. Coordinate of D will be, if it is a 0 x1 plus x2, it is x1 y1. You will take x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle DEF, D, coordinate of D is equal to midpoint. What is midpoint theorem you apply? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 will be 0 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 by 2. You are getting 1 comma 0. What is the coordinate? 1 comma 0. Coordinate of E, x2 plus x3 by 2, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. What will you get? 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. What are you getting? 2 by 2, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 2. It is a coordinate 1 comma 2. Coordinate of F is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. Midpoint formula you apply, no need to section formula. So 0 plus 0 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. What will you get? 0, comma, minus 1 plus 3, 2, 2 by 2, 1. 0, comma, 1. It is the coordinate. So by this you find out the area of triangle. Area of triangle, again you take these points, you write down DEF. D, that is given 1 comma 0, E given 1 comma 2, F given 0 comma 1. So it you take as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 for the calculation of the area. Area of triangle you calculate by the formula, triangle's formula. After this, your answer, one answer is this. Another answer, again find the area of triangle ABC by the same formula, half. Then area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC you want to find out. Put the values, after solving you will get your result. After solving this, you will get your result. It will be 1:4. You know in the triangle chapter, it is 1/4 of the full triangle. So after this you will get 1:4 the area. Solve both the areas. First find the midpoint by midpoint formula. Then coordinate you are getting. After getting coordinate you find the area of DF. Then you find out the area of ABC also. DF upon ABC you write down and you will get the answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. What is the question number 4 that you see here? In the question number 4 it is given, find the area of quadrilateral. Question number 4, area of quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral given? Not given. Area of quadrilateral ABCD, in an example I have told you just when you join the BD. First coordinate of A is given 0 comma minus 1. Another is given, no, it is not given. Question number 3 I have written. Quadrilateral name is not given. Minus 4 comma minus 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2. Minus 3 comma minus 5. 3 comma minus 2. And 2 comma 3. Area of ABD you calculate by the formula. Area of BCD you calculate by the formula. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3 for this. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3 by this. So both the area of quadrilateral will be area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. But very carefully, both the square units will be square units will be positive. When you want to calculate ABD, then you separately write ABD. Coordinate of ABD in the order ABD. And then x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. When you want to calculate BCD, you write B, C and D. And then x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Calculate both the, if A have negative, you are getting. Then you write, therefore area is positive. Then positive form both you write. Don't add the negative. Question number 5 is given, last question of this exercise. You have a study class 10th and chapter 9 example. The median is of a triangle divided into a two triangles in equal areas. So verify this relation by a triangle ABC. One triangle ABC is given. We know in the triangle chapter, median divide the triangle in two triangles of equal area. AD is the median. It is given. Verify triangle, verify the ABC, this result. A is given 4, minus 6. B is given 3, minus 2. And C is given 5, 2. AD is median. AD median. Therefore, D coordinate will be midpoint 3 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 by 2. What is the coordinate? 8 by 2, 4, 0. 4, 0. You are getting the coordinate of D is 4, 0. Okay. Find the area of triangle ABD by half. A 4, minus 6. 3, minus 2, 4, 0. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 you find out. Then area of triangle ACD or ADC. ABD and ACD you find out. You will get half. Then 4, minus 6, 5, 2, 4, 0. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3. You calculate both. You will get area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Hence verified median divide the triangle in two triangles of equal areas. So you will divide, first find the midpoint theorem by midpoint formula, and then find the area of two triangles separately. Both the areas will be equal. Thanks for this. Your exercise is over. Only optional exercise is left. That I will tell you afterwards. Here one more formula you will get, centroid of the triangle. In the 7.4 exercise you will get very important formula, centroid of any triangle. Centroid means intersecting point of the diagonal. Centroid called the intersecting point of a triangle x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then it is the centroid. Intersecting point of the median is called the centroid. It is the ABC. So coordinate of G you will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is the centroid formula. Centroid formula. Area coordinate of the centroid. All the vertices you will get the coordinate here x, y, G by this centroid formula, because it is 2:1. Median divide each other 2:1. That will be seen in the optional exercise that I will explain you afterwards. So all the formulas and all the things in this chapter is over. Thanks for today.